Hi students, let us start today class. Today we are going to see exercise 5.4, 11th question. See, find the equations of a straight line joining the point of intersections of 3x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0 and x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0 to the point of intersections of 7x minus 3y is equal to minus 12 and 2y is equal to x plus 3. Okay, totally here 4 line equation it is given. So two line is intersecting, we will get one point of intersection, and then two more line is intersecting, we will get it as a one more point. The 2 point you should join, we will get it as a one line. From that line we want to find equation. Okay, see solution. See, while drawing that diagram you will understand. First this given that first this two equation. First equation is x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. Then second equation is, sorry, here one more equation, 3x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, this first equation and second equation. 2 point is intersecting. Okay, two line is intersecting here, so this is point of intersection. Okay, then next you see here x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. Now next one more, this two line is intersecting. What is that? This line is, so first line 7x minus 3y is equal to minus 12 and this 2y is equal to x plus 3. Okay, here we will get it as one point of intersection. Okay, while joining this two point of intersection, okay, we will get it as a line. This line equation we want to find. Okay, in this equation want to find this equation. Now see, first line you take. Okay, first line is, the lines are first 3x plus y equal to plus 2 that side go, plus 2 that side go means minus 2. This is equation 1. Then next equation, x minus 2y is equal to 4. Okay, minus 4 that side go, plus 4. This is equation 2. So you solve equation 1 and 2. Okay, solve 1 and 2 means, see, y coefficient is here minus 2. Any one of the variable you want to eliminate, so that here y coefficient is minus 2, here y coefficient is plus 1. Okay, that means first equation you should multiply by 2 means 3 2s are 6x plus 2 into y, 2y is equal to 2 2s are minus 4. Then second equation you should write as it is. Second equation is, what is that? X minus 2y equal to, okay, equal to 4. So now you see, you should add as it is. Plus 2y minus 2y will get cancelled. Now 6x plus x, 7x is equal to, this you should add means 0. Okay, now plus 2y minus 2y will get cancelled. So 6x plus x, 7x, this side right hand side, minus 4 plus 4 you should add means 0. Therefore x you will get, solve this, x is equal to 0 by 7. So 0 by anything, answer 0. So x is equal to 0 we received. So x is equal to 0, substitute in equation 1 means, okay, equation 1 or 2. 1 you should substitute means 3x plus y is equal to minus 2. So 3 into 0 plus y is equal to minus 2. 3 into 0, 0. So we should not consider 0. So y is equal to minus 2. So y we will receive as a minus 2. Therefore, one point of intersection we received. Therefore, the point of intersection is, the point of intersection is 0 comma minus 2. Okay, one point of intersection we received. Okay, then next you see third equation and fourth equation you want to choose. So given that lines are, first 7x minus 3y is equal to minus 12. This is equation 3. Okay, next This is equation 4. 2y is equal to x plus 3. Okay, this is, you solve first. So plus x this side come minus x. Okay, so 2x minus, sorry, plus x this side come minus x. Already plus 2y is there. This equal to plus 3. So 3 we can write. This is equation 4. Okay, this equation alone you should solve. 2y is equal to x plus 3. Okay, given lines are this one as it is. Second one is you should change. 2y is equal to x plus 3. You should change means plus x is equal minus x plus 2y is equal to 3. Okay, then next step, solve equation 3 and 4. See, third equation, any one of the variable you want to eliminate, so that here 7x is there, here 1d minus x is there. Okay, this coefficient is 7, this coefficient is 1. That means third equation you should write as it is. Okay, third equation 7x minus 3y is equal to minus 12. Then fourth equation you should multiply by 7. So you should multiply by 7 means minus 7x. 7 into minus x minus 7x plus 7 2s are 14y is equal to 7 3s are 21. Okay, now you should add these two equation. So adding these two equation, plus 7x minus 7x will get cancelled. 14 minus 3 it goes means 11y. 11y is equal to 21. 12 it goes remaining 9. Okay, remaining 9. Now see, this equal to, now y is equal to 9 divided by 11. 11 will go down, so y is equal to 9 by 11. Now y is equal to 9 by 11. Substitute in any one of the equation. So substitute in equation 4. Okay, substitute in. Now this is equation 4. You should substitute y value means what you will receive, minus x plus 2 times of 9 by 11 is equal to 3. Now here minus x, here we cannot get cancelled, so 9 2s are 18 divided by 11 is equal to 3. Next step, we need x means plus x will go that side, so 18 by 11 plus 3 this side come minus 3, so minus x that side go plus x. Okay, now 11 you want to take it as LCM, so 18 minus 11 3s are 33 whole divided by 11, this is equal to x. So now simplify means, therefore x you will receive, okay, will get minus 15 by, subtract means minus 15 by 11. Okay, so x you received as a negative, y you received as a positive. Therefore the point of intersection is, therefore the point of intersection is minus 15 by 11 comma 9 by 11. Okay, therefore here 2 point of intersection we received. Okay, we want to get the line equation. Therefore to record equations of a straight line, equations of a straight line using 2-point form, because 2 point of intersection only we need, we know, so that y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. Okay, here first point is x1 y1, second point is x2 y2. First point we received 0 and minus 2. Next point of intersection we received minus 15 by 11, 9 by 11. Okay, so first point we received this only, yes, 0 minus 2. Then x2 we received minus 15 by 11 and 9 by 11. Now in this value you should substitute now. So y minus y1 minus 2, so divided by y2, 9 by 11 minus of minus 2. This equal to x2, x minus x1 0 divided by x2 minus 5 by 11 minus 0. Okay. Now simplify, you will get it as a equation. Therefore, y plus 2 divided by denominator 9 by 11 plus 2. Minus into minus plus. Okay. Now this side x minus 0 means x divided by minus 5 by 11. So next step, you see here 11 you want to take it as LCM. So y plus 2 whole divided by 9 plus 2 11s are 22. Okay. 2 11s are 22 divided by whole divided by 11. This equal to x by minus 5 by 11. Okay. Minus 15 by 11. So here x2 is 15 only. So minus 15 by 11. Minus 15 by 11. Now next step, both side the denominator 11 it goes numerator. So 11 of y plus 2 whole divided by, you should add, we will get it as a 31 is equal to x by, okay, this minus also it goes, or else minus also it go numerator. So minus 11x by 15. Okay. So now both the side numerator 11 is there. So this 11 will get cancelled. Okay. Then means remaining this 15 will come this side. So 15 of y plus 2 is equal to 31 will go that side, means minus 31x. Minus 31x. Next step, this 15 is common for both. So 15y plus 15 2s are 30. Now here this equal to minus 31x. Next step, minus 31x this side come, plus 31x plus 15y plus 30 is equal to 0. Okay. This is record equations of straight line. Therefore 31x plus 15y plus 30 is equal to 0 is record equations of a straight line. Record equations of a straight line. Okay, that's all. Here four line equation is given. So using this 4 line, 2 line first we solve, one point of intersection we received, and then 2 more line. This 2 line we solved and we received one point of intersection. Using the 2 point of intersection we used 2 point form. Then we received that equation this. Okay, this is called record equations of a straight line. Okay, that's all. See next 12th question. Find the equations of a straight line joining point of intersections of 8x plus 3y is equal to 18 and 4x plus 5y is equal to 9, and bisecting the line segment joining the points 5 comma minus 4 and minus 7 comma 6. Okay, before question how we did at the same model only. First point of intersection we want to find, and then bisecting the line segment. Okay, while joining these 2 points is bisecting the line segment, means we will get, while joining these 2 points we will get it as a midpoint. So midpoint we will get 1 point, and the point of intersection we will get 1 point. So 2 point we will receive. Using 2 point form we will receive the equations of straight line. Okay, see solution. First you see given that first this point of intersection, first equation 8x plus 3y is equal to 18. Second equation 4x plus 5y is equal to 9. So we will get it as one point of intersection, and while joining these 2 points 5 comma minus 4 and one more point minus 7 comma 6, it's bisecting, we will get it as a midpoint. So you should join these 2 points. Okay, you should join these 2 points. We will get it as a one line. We will get it as a one line. So this line equation we want to find. This equation only we want to find. Find equations of a line. Okay, this line we want to find. Straightly you want to draw this. So see here one point, then this. Okay, see, so this equation only we want to find. For that, first you see given lines you should write. Given lines are first 8x plus 3y is equal to 18. This is equation 1. Then 4x plus 5y is equal to 9. This is equation 2. So using elimination method, you want to eliminate any one of the variable, so that here x coefficient you check. Here x coefficient is 8. Here x coefficient is 4. Then means first equation you should write as it is 8x plus 3y is equal to 18. Second equation I multiply by 2 means automatically x coefficient it will get equal. So that here 4 2s are 8x. Now here also 8x, here also 8x, it's came. Now next 5 2s are 10y is equal to 9 2s are 18. 2 you should multiply with all the coefficients. Okay, multiply. Now we should not add. Why? Because here 8x, here 8x means we cannot get cancelled. So that this two equation you should subtract. Subtract means, so all the coefficient you have to change the symbol. Second equation symbol want to change. A plus means minus, here plus means minus, here plus 18 means minus. Now see this plus 8x minus 8x cancel. Minus 10y, after change the symbol only want to consider. So minus 10y plus 3y, it goes minus 7y is equal to right hand side 0. How? Because plus 18 minus 18 add means it will get cancelled, so 0. Therefore y we received, therefore y is equal to 0 by minus 7. 0 by anything 0. So y we received 0. Y is equal to 0. Substitute in any one of the equation. So I substitute in equation 1 means equation 1 is 8x plus 3y is equal to 18. Now 8x plus 3 into 0 is equal to 18. So 3 into 0 is 0. So 8x is equal to 18. Therefore, okay, or else 8x plus 0. Now 8x plus 0, 8x is equal to 18. X is equal to 18 by 18. Sorry, 18 by 8. 18 by 8. Okay. So then we should cancel this two table. We will get 9 by 4. Therefore x you will get 9 by 4. Therefore the point of intersection is is 9 by 4 comma 0. Okay, now we received one point. Now we received one point, that is, what is that? 9 by 4 comma 0. Next, what want to do? These two point using we want to find midpoint. So midpoint of the line joining the points 5 comma minus 4 and minus 7 comma 6. So we know midpoint formula. What is that? x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Now substitute 5 plus minus 7 by 2 comma minus 4 plus 6 by 2. This is x1 y1 x2 y2. So substitute. So now this minus 2 by 2 minus 7 5 go minus 2 divided by 2. Here 2 by 2. E should cancel, we will get minus 1 comma 1. This cancel, minus 1 comma 1. So here we received one more point. Yes. So using these 2 points, we want to get the equations of straight line. Okay, therefore to record equations of a straight line, using 2-point form, because we received 2 points, y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. Here x1 y1, first point is x1 y1, 9 by 4 and 0, and here second point we received, what is that? That point is we received minus 1 1. Okay, now you substitute in this equation y minus 0 divided by y2, 1 minus 0. This is equal to x minus x1 is 9 by 4 divided by x2 minus 1 minus 9 by 4. Now simplify y minus 0, y divided by 1. Okay, 1 minus 0, 1. Next, this side denominator is 4. Okay, so you want to take it as LCM, means 4x minus 9 whole divided by 4. 4x minus 9 divided by 4. Numerator you want to take it as LCM 4, and the same denominator also 4 you want to take LCM, means minus 4 minus 9 whole divided by 4. Okay, whole divided by 4. So next step you see this y by 1 y, any number y by 1 y, or else you write y by 1 is equal to 4x minus 9 by 4 into this, or whole divided by minus 9 minus 4 and means minus 13 divided by 4. Now both the denominator 4 is there, it will get cancelled. Then next step, what you will get? Y is equal to 4x minus 9 whole divided by minus 13. Y by 1 y. Okay, now this will go this side, since here y by 1 is equal to y. Now minus 13 this side it goes, minus 13y is equal to 4x minus 9. Now always x you want to get positive, so that minus 13y will go this side. So 0 is equal to 4x or minus 13y, this side come plus 13y minus 9. So you should change and write this equation. What is that? 4x plus 13y minus 9 is equal to 0 is required equations of a straight line. Required equations of a straight line. Okay, that's all. Here also before question at the same model, but here 2 equation we solved and one more midpoint we received. Using that 2 point we received that equation. Okay, that's all.